Hi there, my name is Carolina Puente, and I am an integrated health coach, and I'm certified in this. But I would like to share everything that I have learned because it's essential for people to know a natural way to be able to take care of their own health and also understand other alternative medicine. I love the field, and there's so many things I would love to share. Also, there is a dietary library that I want to share because so many people have heard of several types of diets, but there is a lot more going on in the world. And maybe you're doing the wrong diet for your own body. So, hopefully, this will help you decide what is the best lifestyle for you. And just so you know, when it comes to your health, it sometimes takes at least about 6 months for your body to change in the right path without you having to do yo-yo dieting or going back to your old ways and old habits. So I myself have to work on this. So I decided to do videos so that together we can do it. And I think that way we can support each other. And one thing I will not do is share in the beginning which diet I will be choosing for myself because I want you guys to choose what you believe is the best for you. So I look forward to having these videos be posted so that you guys can understand a little bit about what is integrated nutrition. It is not only food, meaning physical food, but your whole environment and your whole lifestyle. So have a good day and take care.